Hello everyone! Welcome to the WARC Kyrgyz tutorials. We are continuing to explore interesting topics in the Kyrgyz language. In a previous video, we talked about one of the most frequently used modal constructions. Today, we will learn one more modal construction. Let's start. In English, we have modal verbs like may and can, which are used to express permission to do an action. How can you give permission or express refusal to do any action in Kyrgyz? We have special modal construction for it. Let's take a look. If the main verb ends with a consonant or vowel, we first add sa at the end. Please note the vowel sound in this ending can change according to the law of harmony. Then we add the correct possessive pronoun endings. After that, we add the modal construction word bolot, which literally translates to be. But in this modal construction, it plays the role of can or may. Let's see an example. Men шаарга барсам болот. I can go to the city. In this sentence, the main verb is bar. Sa is ending of the modal construction. M is the possessive pronoun endings that goes with the pronoun men, meaning I. And finally, bolot is the modal construction word. Now that we have learned the basic structure of the positive form, let's see some other examples. Силер сынаққа қатышсаңар болот. You may participate in the competition. Siz сейілдеп келсеңіз болот. You can go for a walk. Алар кетсе болот. They can go. To negate those sentences, we change bolot to bolboit, which means cannot or may not. The other parts of the sentence do not change. Now let's negate the sentences from the previous examples. Силер сынаққа қатышсаңар болбойт. You may not participate in the competition. Siz сейілдеп келсеңіз болбойт. You cannot go for a walk. Алар кетсе болбойт. They cannot go. To create the question form, we just add the question ending bu to modal construction bolot. Please note the question form of the modal construction is bolobu, not bolot pu. Let's create questions from the sentences above. Силер сынаққа қатышсаңар болобу? May you participate in the competition? Siz сейілдеп келсеңіз болобу? Can you go for a walk? Алар кетсе болобу? Can they go? In English, the word can also talk about ability, not just permission. For example, I can speak Kyrgyz, he can swim. To express an ability in Kyrgyz, we use the helping verb al instead of bolot. The original meaning of verb al is take, but it's also used with other verbs to express physical ability, skill, and potential. To create a positive sentence, we add a vowel ending to main verbs that end with consonants a, e, o, or e, according to the law of harmony. If the main verb ends with a vowel, we add I. Then comes the helping verb al, to which we add an extra a and a personal ending. Let's look at some examples. Мен қырғызша сөйлей алам. I can speak Kyrgyz. Ал үйге өзі бара алады. She can go home herself. Biz сабаққа келе аламыз. We can come to the lesson. In the first example, the main verb is сөйле. It ends with a vowel, which is why we add I. Then we add the helping verb al, add an extra a, and finally add the personal ending. In the second and third examples, you can see verbs with different consonant endings. To negate them, we add the negative ending ba to al, so it becomes alba. Then we add I because of vowel ending, and lastly we add a personal ending. Let's negate the sentences above. Мен қырғызша сөйлей албай. I cannot speak Kyrgyz. Ал үйге өзі бара албайды. She cannot go home herself. Biz сабаққа келе албайбыз. We cannot come to the lesson. To ask a question, we add just the question ending. It becomes al plus a plus personal ending plus b. For example, мен қырғызша сөйлей аламбы? Can I speak Kyrgyz? Ал үйге өзі бара алабы? Can she go home herself? Biz сабаққа келе алабызбы? Can we come to the lesson? Today we talk about the modal constructions that can be used to express permission and ability. In the next video, we will continue exploring other interesting topics in the Kyrgyz language. So please subscribe to our channel, like and share with friends. Görüşкенçe.